Hey there beauties, Jaleesa Sharice here, and today we're going to be talking about how to achieve the perfect defined twist out for 4C hair. So if you want to learn how to get those twist outs popping, keep watching. So first I start with freshly washed hair, and then I section my hair that I want to start with, and then clamp the rest out of the way before moving on to my leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Fresh Curl Revitalizing Hair Smoother. And I just need about one pump for each section. And I'll distribute through each section from the roots to the ends and detangle using my Denman brush. Next, I'm going to move on to my styler, which is going to be my defining gel. So I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Natural Honey Curl Forming Custard, and this has honey and chamomile, two of my favorite ingredients. And typically I can't use gels because they're too watery for my hair type and it only makes my hair frizz. But this stuff is thick. It has all these natural extracts in it and honey, and it's a great humectant for the hair. Keeps it very moisturized. So I'm just going to distribute this from the roots to the ends of my hair before also detangling the section again with my Denman brush. If you have 4C hair like me, thicker products tend to work best. Once I have my leave-in conditioner and my curl definer distributed through the hair, I'm going to start twisting, and I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends of the hair. Just in case I went a little bit too fast for you guys, here is just kind of a slow-mo of me twisting my hair so you can see the process. I take each small to medium-sized section and split them into 2 strands, and then I twist them 2 strands, wrap one around the other all the way down. And as I'm twisting my hair, I kind of smooth each piece so the twists are as smooth as possible and there's not a lot of frizz. And then once I get down to the bottom, if it's too short for me to twist, I'll coil with my finger. Now I'm done with twisting completely, and I have 2 options for drying. The first option is to let my hair air dry for about an hour before going to bed, and then covering it with a satin or silk bonnet. Try to avoid sleeping on wet hair so you can avoid untwisting wet hair in the morning. The second option is to sit under a bonnet hair dryer for 1 hour. This will help dry the hair before going out or before going to bed. Whenever I unravel my twist in the morning, I always coat my fingers with an oil or a polish. So I'm going to be using these Silk Elements glossing polish. This stuff is amazing and very inexpensive. It adds shine to the hair and it helps reduce frizz when you're unraveling your hair. First, I unravel each 2-strand twist, and then I go back and I separate each of those sections to create volume. Once I'm done unraveling and separating, I will pick the roots to add even more volume with a comb or a pick. Depending on the mood I'm in, I'll slick my edges. So I'm going to be using the Silk Elements Extra Strength Edge Control to just kind of get my edges in order. And you can use your fingers, or you can do it the old school way and use a toothbrush. Do a little bit of last minute fluffing and you are all done. So this is my super defined twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you got some tips for when you're trying to achieve your perfect twist out. Don't forget to glow, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye.